that tree is. That's where we're going to be digging these Fat Albert holes.
This is my biggest area of concern, really, because this is where everything is.
We'll place those and make sure those look good and they're where you want them, and we'll go ahead and dig the holes with the Mini X.
She's a beaut, Clark.
Right now, probably once every other week. Give them a good deep soak.
Oh, okay.